let's just back up here. GPT-4 was literally announced how many months ago do you think?
Well, it was less than 28 weeks because I think it came in our 3rd episode or something like that. And this is the 28th episode. So I guess less than half a year ago.
Yeah, so 5 months ago. 5 months. It was 2 days ago. It was the 5-month anniversary of GPT-4.
Which shit, who cares? Yeah,
only
no, don't worry about it.
recently got released to developers to start building applications on. And so I don't understand how you can be like...
argue, like a lot of the supporting technologies around it that actually let you leverage it in a faster way are just still emerging. Like that's really where the most development's happening now, is how to work with the models, how to customize models, the tooling around it, how to get prompts right for different goals, how to get multi-agent environments up, and those kind of things. That's still in its infancy. All of those things are in their infancy, and each one is showing us different ways we can use this technology. And to just go, oh, well, no, it's just all hype and it's nothing.
Yeah, I just don't understand how you can say something's a dud and these guys are not going to be able to live up to their valuations when, you know, after 5 months of observing a new technology, it's sort of like saying after 5 months after the internet became mainstream that, oh, you know.
Yeah, or like another example is YouTube. You know, when YouTube first came out, it was small for quite a while. It was even small when Google bought it, but now it's such a mainstay. It's such an industry of its own that it's huge. So yeah, I think to just say that it's not going to continue, especially when we know that there will be further advancements on it, certainly, and that hardware will get better, just seems naive, especially for someone who's supposedly an expert.
The other thing he cites in the article is a headline from Fortune that says tech experts are starting to doubt that ChatGPT and AI hallucinations will ever go away. This isn't fixable. And again, I think it's one of these things that we'll just get used to and improve over time. I think there's some great advancements that he doesn't allude to in here, like the idea of just executing code or executing some truth to verify and validate answers. But also the fact that humans also hallucinate. If you compare self-driving cars to a human driver, the self-driving cars are already safer drivers than humans, but we just won't accept that. And so...
And also, I think it sort of sounds like someone who hasn't actually tried it. Because the thing is, yeah, it hallucinates. I agree. It's annoying. But you can work around it, and you can build software around it that can cope with the hallucinations and still function. It still adds value. It can still solve a vast amount of use cases safely, even with the hallucinations being there. It doesn't have to be this thing, again, where you dismiss it outright because of one slight flaw with it that can be worked with.
I think a lot of these opinions that we are citing are coming from academics, not actual people using the technology. I don't really know anyone day to day that's using AI or has implemented AI into their software thinks it's a dud or a fad or going to like necessarily go away or not live up to the expectation.
And tell all the people who are greedily buying up all the graphics cards and you can't even rent them and all that sort of stuff. They all think it's a dud, do they? Like it just seems so out of touch with what's actually going on.